Okay, so let's go ahead and look at how you can start, because you said, how can I start? How can a beginner trader start? So the first thing you would need is to have a trading account. After going to the OctaFX website, I think I'm going to show you guys, just quickly show you guys. So you go to the OctaFX website at octafx.com and come down here to you can come down here to analysis and education, and you want to got this Forex Basic articles or Forex Basic video course. So these courses are like startups, to just help you understand how Forex works. There are about 11 courses that you can watch just to kind of like introduce you to the financial markets and help you understand fundamental analysis, risk management, just like a brief, right? And now you can move over to the OctaFX official YouTube channel, which is also where you can watch videos and live trading sessions, participate in these live trading sessions by Forex trading experts, and also pay attention to the market outlook that keeps you updated on future events and past events as well. Okay, so after that, you want to open an account, right? I mean, for you to be able to practice how to trade, you should be able to have a trading account that you can use to practice whatever it is that you've learned from the market. So to open an account, you can go to octafx.com or download the OctaFX trading app from your Play Store or from your App Store. And you want to click on create an account. A second. So you want to click on create an account. And when you click on create an account, this pops up where you can put your name, your last name, your email, and make sure that these details are correct, because you your trading account details, your passwords, they'll be sent to that email. So you want to use correct details. It's also valid. It's also important so that you can make deposits and withdrawals as well. So put in your details. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign up or create account once you've put in your details, and then this pops up. Now, if you're using a PC, this is how it's going to look. If you're using the OctaFX trading app, this is what it's going to look like. So you click on whichever, if you're creating an MT4 account or an MT5 account, you click and you select. And you can also choose your account type. Is it a real account or a demo account? You choose your currency, your leverage. If you're using a demo account, you can choose whatever balance it is you want to start with on a demo account. And the same thing goes for the OctaFX trading app. So choose whichever account type, real or demo, that you want to create. Choose your leverage, your currency. It's demo account, you can go ahead and choose your balance that you want to start with, and click on create trading account. And that's it. So you go ahead, your trading account has been created. If it's a demo, this is going to be the new page that you would see on your dashboard. And same for this, for the OctaFX trading app. Now, if you want to create a real account, you just go ahead and click on this plus icon, go ahead to create a real account. Okay, also the details, the login details for your trading account would be sent to your email. So you should check your email to access the information or the details that you can use to log into your MT4 app or your MT5 app, depending on the one that you created. You can also use these details to log into the OctaFX web terminal. And the web terminal looks like this. So this is what the OctaFX web terminal looks like. You can use the details that has been sent to your mail after you create your account and use it to log into your web terminal or your personal area. Okay. Next question. How do you start trading and with what amount? Okay, I think it was there was one more question left from, the first question was like 3 questions in one. So he said, how can I study selling and buying, which was like the last question from first question. So in placing orders, let me just in placing orders, either buy or sell orders, there's some important things that you should look out for, and these things would help you out with your analysis, right? So if you're familiar with the basics already, like the spread, lot size, pips and points, leverage, trading times and sessions, margin, and all that. If you're familiar with the basics, then to be able to study how to buy and sell or identify buying and selling opportunities in the market, then you should you should learn about trading styles, swing strategies, scalping strategies. There are different trading styles. You should learn about them and try to identify the one that aligns with your personality. You should also look at the different trading strategies and different approaches to the market, right? You should also pay attention to the fundamental forces that are influencing the markets. You should look at those fundamental forces, the key economic events that happen in the markets. And you can also pay attention to these events by using the OctaFX economic calendar. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys quickly how you can access the economic calendar. So still the same website, octafx.com, and then you want to come down to analysis and education. So if you're using your mobile phone, this menu would be at the navigation button, okay? And then you want to come down to analysis and education, and you want to click on economic calendar, which is under analytics, right? So you want to click on economic calendar. And now you can see that there are different economic events, speeches, that have, and the currencies are also indicated so that you know which currency would be impacted by these various economic events. And also use the advanced filters to use your time zone so that you can be sure about the exact time these events would be, or these reports would be released in your country's time zone. You can also choose if you want high impact news, just high impact news, so you have to untick the rest. If you just want only high impact moves that have only high impact news or high impact events that have high impact on markets, right? So you can just use the filters and choose whichever one you want. Okay, so these are some of the things that can help you understand or help you study buying and selling, alongside risk management and trader psychology. And all these things, like I said, you can find in the OctaFX official YouTube channel, or you can check the link in the description. There's a playlist in the description that you can check after this Q&A. Okay, so let's look at the second question. So how do you start trading, and with what amount? So to start trading, you first need to have a trading account, right? You can create a trading account like I just showed you right now, real or demo. So if you want to trade a real account, you can create the account and make a deposit, right? So that's how you start trading, and then just show you guys how to create a real account. So let's say, for example, you have a demo account and you want to create a real account. So you click on the plus sign, this plus sign, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can choose between your account, MT5 or MT4, and you can click on configure. And now you're switching from a demo account to a real account. So you change from demo to real and choose your currency and your leverage, and go ahead to click on create account. And now your account is ready, right? Excuse me. So remember that if you want to trade a real account, then you need to make a deposit, right? You have to trade real money to make real money. So you make a deposit, you can choose from the multiple deposit options. We have Nigerian local banks and Bitcoin, Dogecoin. Also have other deposit options, Neteller, Skrill, Litecoin, and Theta. Okay, so there's also instant bank transfers. That is very quick. You get your deposit in minutes with instant bank transfers. So if you want to use instant bank transfers, then you click on it, choose your deposit amount, choose your bank name, the bank that you're depositing from, and go ahead to confirm your deposits, right? Confirm the amount, confirm the method, and confirm the trading account that you want to deposit. So you can also go ahead to apply a promo code. Like I said, I would reveal a promo code for 100% bonus on your deposits at the end of this Q&A. After this, you go ahead and click on confirm, and then you get to a new page where you can see the transfer details. You make your transfer from your bank to the details, the new details, or the new the details on the new payments page that you see after you click on confirm. And then once the deposit is done, you can come over to your trading accounts, because now you have a real account. So you can come over to your trading accounts and click on trade. Now you'll be directed to a page where you would have long list of instruments, that you can trade with OctaFX. You can trade over 230 instruments from markets with OctaFX. And if you don't see this page instantly, if you see a pop-up page that shows you to choose between OctaFX Trading App and MT4, to access this page, you have to choose OctaFX Trading App as your default trading app, so that you can get to this page and choose whichever currency pair that you're familiar with, or that you've been practicing on your demo accounts, and you can go ahead, click on that currency pair and trade. Okay, so that's exactly how to get started, or how to start trading. Now, about the amount, it all depends on your risk appetite. With OctaFX, the minimum deposit is $40, and you can go higher if you want. It all depends on your risk appetite. Let's look at the next question. So, like I said, guys, if you have questions, if you don't see your questions, you can ask me these questions in the comments. I would look at the comments to identify your questions and answer them, and we'll just analyze them together. Okay, so how can I withdraw from this app? Okay, I'm just going to show you, give you like an illustration or a graphical presentation on how to withdraw. Second. Okay, can you guys hear me now? I want to be sure that you guys can hear me. I just want to be sure that you guys can hear me. I'm hearing some people say that they cannot hear me. So if you can hear me, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Okay. All right, we're going to proceed. Yeah. Okay, so the question was, how can I withdraw from this app? Now, the process to withdraw is, or to make a withdrawal, is very simple, right? So, I mean, if you try to withdraw and there's no, you go to your wallet and you don't see any balance or available balance in your wallet, then that's fine. You can just make an internal transfer, right? So the first thing you want to do is the OctaFX Trading app and click on the navigation icon, or the navigation button is at the top left, and this would pop up, and you click on wallets. Now, when you open your wallet, you're going to see a balance. Now, if you don't see any balance, but you have funds in your trading account that you want to withdraw, that's fine. I'll also show you guys how to do an internal transfer. So you just click on internal transfer and click, the trading account you want to transfer from. So you click and choose your trading account, and you choose to wallet, right? You enter the amounts that you want to be deducted, and you enter your OctaFX pin. Your OctaFX pin has already been sent to you in your email. So you can just check your email or use the search button to check for your OctaFX pin, right? So once the transfer is done, you can come back here and click on withdrawal, right? Once you've done the internal transfer from your trading account to your wallet, you can come back and click on withdrawal. And now you can choose from, multiple withdrawal options that are being provided by OctaFX. You can use the Nigerian local banks. You can use your digital currencies or Skrill or Neteller, provide the information. If you choose to use your Nigerian local banks, you can just go ahead and click on it. So you select the amount that you want to be deducted, the amount that you want to withdraw, and OctaFX would do like a conversion from US dollar to Nigerian naira. So you identify how much that is in Nigerian naira. And save templates is just your already saved bank account. So if you have made a withdrawal before, you can just click on save templates and choose your bank account. If you haven't made any withdrawals, you can go ahead to put your bank details, your account number, your name, and your OctaFX pin. You click on withdraw and you click on request. Okay, the withdrawals take 1 to 3 hours to be completed. Let's look at the next questions. How am I going to sell crypto and buy? So with trading, if you choose to trade, let me just show you guys. If you choose to trade digital currencies with OctaFX, placing an order on a currency pair and a digital currency is the same process, right? The same buy or sell, but the analysis could be different, right? You could analyze a digital currency differently than analyzing an actual currency pair, right? So what I'm trying to say is that you can analyze ETH USD differently than you analyze Euro USD, right? So if you use the OctaFX web terminal and you don't see those digital currencies here, you can always right click. If you use a Mac, you can just double click and click on show all. Then all the instruments that you can trade with OctaFX pops up. So you can see some digital currencies here. BTC USD, ETH USD, LTC USD, all these are digital currencies that you can trade with OctaFX. And process of placing an order is same. It's the same as that of a currency pair. You just click on create new order and put your stop loss or take profit. You can also identify first if you can identify first the symbol or the digital currency that you want to trade. So when you click on new order, which is here, the second icon, then you want to make sure that it's set at a particular digital currency that you want to trade or cryptocurrency that you want to trade. So let's say, for example, I want to trade Doge. So I've set it at that. Confirm that it's a market execution order. Put my lot size, my stop loss and take profit. And I go ahead to click on sell or buy, right? And that's the same process for a currency pair. So if I wanted to open an order with a currency pair or open an order on a currency pair, let's say Aussie yen, for example, right? Australian dollar against Japanese yen. So I confirm the symbol, market execution, the same process. I put my lot size, my stop loss and take profit, and I choose sell or buy. Another difference in currency pairs and digital currencies can be the calculation of pips. So that's something that you also want to learn, because you could calculate currency pairs differently than how you calculate digital currencies. And also, guys, remember that now you can trade stocks with OctaFX. You can now also trade stocks with OctaFX. Okay, so let's look at the next question. What's the difference between the OctaFX trading app and the copy trading app? So the OctaFX trading app, or the OctaFX here, let's start with the copy trading. So the OctaFX copy trading app is used by traders to copy trades from other master traders, right? So there are a lot of master traders on the OctaFX copy trading app, and you can also observe or just look at their performance, look at their risk score, and identify how this master trader trades. Look at their performance, past performance, look at their risk score as well, and copy from a master trader that basically aligns with your trading style. Okay, there are a lot of master traders on the app that you can copy from. Just look at the performance and choose the one that kind of like aligns with your trading style. And the OctaFX trading app is where you can make your deposits, make your withdrawals, your internal transfers. You can also place trades with the OctaFX trading app, and you can also get trade ideas or market ideas and signals through the OctaFX trading app that can help you in making profitable trading decisions as well. That's the difference between the OctaFX copy trading app and the OctaFX trading app. So let's look at the second, or the next question rather. Why does the indicator color only red and can't change? Okay, why does the indicator color only red I can't change? So there are a lot of indicators that you can use in the forex market, right? Not really sure the exact one you're talking about, and trying to like change the colors from MetaTrader 4 can be a bit tricky. So you can use TradingView to do that. If you want to change the colors, say for example, I want to put like a moving average. Let's just so the moving average is like this blue line that you see here, right? So if I want to change the colors, I can just come here, click on settings, click on style, just play around with the colors. You can see it's black now. I can change it to red, change it to green, just change the colors of the indicators to my preference. Okay, so you can use TradingView to change the colors of your indicators if you don't like them, not like their colors rather. Also, while using indicators, you can try to have multiple confluences, right? By multiple confluences, I mean like a lot of confirmations, like 3 confirmations that can basically tell you that can basically give you confidence to execute a trade, right? So if your indicator is giving a buy signal and the market is trying to reverse and you're seeing clear chart patterns that the market is reversing from a downtrend to an uptrend, or you're seeing clear chart patterns that the market is trying to break out to the upside and continue, the uptrend. You're seeing bullish momentum candlesticks, and that can be 3 confluences together. You can also use the Fibonacci to confirm and identify the best prices where you can execute your trades. So just try not to use indicators in isolation. You can, add trends to help you make the best profitable trading decisions, because that's what it's all about, making high probability setups and having the best possible entries. All right, guys, we've come to the end of the Q&A session. This section is actually where I can look at the comment section and answer your questions. So if you didn't see your question so far, that's fine. You can go ahead and ask me questions in the comments. Go ahead and ask me questions in the comment section. I'm looking at the comment section right now to answer your questions. Okay, so Wisdom says, I'm a new person in Forex trading, but I want to trade well without loss. Well, first you need to understand risk management and also understand your risk appetite, right? What we can control in the market as retail traders are our risk, okay? So you need to understand your risk appetite. You also need to try and keep your risk per trade at less than 2%, because that would keep you long enough, that'll keep you in the market long enough to place more trades. Okay, so that's one way that you can try to mitigate the effect of unsuccessful trades on your trading account. And some risk management steps that you can implement on your trading can be you trying to use your stop loss or usage of stop loss orders, where you, like an order where you tell your broker to stop you out if the market gets to a certain point against you, or if the market tries to go against you. So you're a certain point where you want your broker to stop the trade and close the trade, so that you don't get to lose more than that point. Okay, so you can use a stop loss order, and you can also use a conservative lot size. Okay, you don't want to go buy in with extravagant units of a currency, or selling extravagant units of a currency that may not be healthy to your trading account. So you want to use conservative lot size that can still align with um, your risk appetite or your risk per trade, less than 2%. So you want to use conservative lot size in your trades. So those are like um, risk management strategies or risk management steps that you can implement to your trading to keep you in the market for a long time. You can place more trades and make more profit. Is how can I start trading as a beginner? I think I already answered that, but you can, after the Q&A session, you can click the link in the description, playlist, the English playlist in the description, and you can watch these videos. You can also create a trading account with OctaFX, so you have a trading account that you can use to practice whatever it is you've learned. Evening. I just want to know how to close multiple trades at once. So if you use your trading app, you can close a trade. You can just close one trade manually, or you can use your uh, take profit orders that automatically closes your trade. So if you have a trade running and probably you may not be on your phone or on your PC for a long period of time to monitor the trades, then you can use a take profit order that automatically closes the trade offline or online. Even if you're offline or online, your broker closes your trade. Another way that you can quickly close trades is to use the web terminal, right? So if you have, um, let's say, for example, let me just show you guys how it works. 1 second. Okay, I have to refresh. Page is not active. Okay, so let's say, for example, we have like some active trades, for example, um, like 3 active trades. So this is just for educational purposes. I'm not asking you to buy Euro USD right now. But yeah, so for example, we have like 3 trades on Euro USD. And if you try to use your phone, you can just close manually. But I think this person asking wants to just close everything in lesser time. So you can use the OctaFX web terminal, and you can just close by clicking this X buttons, right? So for every X button you click, it just closes. And now we've closed the free trades in less than 5 seconds. So that can be a fast way that you can use to close your trades. So guys, I'm still looking at the comment section. So if you have questions, go ahead and ask me your questions in the comment section. Is it the OctaFX app that we use for the trading, or there's another app we link to it? So you can choose to use the OctaFX trading app as your default trading app, or you can use the MT4 or MT5 trading app, and the details to log into the MT4 or MT5 trading app would be sent to you once you create an account, a trading account with OctaFX. So create a trading account with OctaFX. The details to log into your MT4 or MT5 app would be sent to your email, right? So you check your email and use those details, your login details, the server and password, use it to log into your MT4 app. So if you have questions about Forex trading or some trading cases that you want analyzed, you can go ahead and ask me in the comments. Check in the comments to see if you have questions. Francis is saying a channel I joined on Telegram requested I change my IB before giving me a signal. Is anything bad about that? So um there's nothing about it being an IB or an OctaFX IB. An IB is an introducing broker. So if you join the invite a friend program by OctaFX and you invite your friends to trade and sharing your referral link with them, you can earn $1 per each standard lot that they trade, right? You can also choose to be an IB. You know, if you have a site or other means of attracting traders, you can apply to be one of the IBs, one of the introducing brokers, and refer new clients and receive payouts of up to $12 at each lot that your referrals trade, right? You also get to join amazing gala dinners, you know, fancy gala dinners, VIP events, and join private contests with us and other amazing grand prizes. Kola is asking, how do we know the best currency to trade? So, we have high liquid or currencies or currency pairs that have high liquidity in the markets. I can't really say that this particular currency pair is the best to trade because, you know, it's all about preference, right? There are people that trade exotic currencies and still make profits. The traders that place trades on, you know, major currencies like the pound dollar or the euro dollar and still make profit as well. So I think that if you want to identify which currency really works best for you, you can try to, as a beginner, if you're a beginner, you can start with major currencies and try to practice on, you know, the 7 major currencies that we have. See which one that you can understand better before you can choose to go for other exotic currencies, right? So trying to learn how to trade all currencies at once can be a bit confusing. This is my first time trading. I'm literally clueless. So there's a link in the description that says English playlist. You can click on the link after this Q&A session to learn how to trade, learn how to navigate through the foreign exchange market, also learn how to identify high probability entries in the market. Okay, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and review the promo code for 100%